Hey guys, Janoy JJ here from Trading the Charts and Trading the Charts Pro. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick overview of my trades on the ES. Took a few two scalp today actually because I was a little bit busy, so I was not in the market for more than an hour. So today I woke up at 7 right here. I put a put mark and had previously drawn my support and resistance lines before I went to bed so I can know where I am expecting this market to go as soon as I wake up. So when I wake up at 7, come check my computer, I realized that the market was in this sideways movement right here, and then it pulled back, bounced right here at support, run up to resistance. Soon as the market opened at 8:30, which it's always not a good idea to jump in the market as soon as the bell ring, because there's a lot of pre-orders, both sell and buy orders, and it is very volatile in the first few minutes of the market. So it's good to wait at least 15 to 30 minutes so the market can settle, and then you can see the clear direction of what the market is doing. So after the market opened by 9 o'clock, the market had came back and bounced right here off the support line that I previously draw. So while I was watching, I realized that it ran up to support, and on the bigger time frame, it was having a hard time to move higher. So this is where the importance of understanding candlestick comes into play. So when it hits resistance on the bigger time frame, it was showing a critical candlestick that informed me that the pattern or the trend is about to reverse. So I saw it started reversing. It broke down, made a quick run up, and then I took my entry right here because that pattern that it just drew right here, this is called a bear flag. On the smaller time frame, it's a lot more clearer for you to see it. So as soon as the flag break right here, I took my first position, and my first position, the profit from that position I think was 1200. That was my first position. So the market came down, hit the support line again, bounced, ran up, made a lower high. So at this point right here, I was able to draw my downtrend line. So I could observe and monitor where the market is going to trend from this point on. And right inside this area, it formed a top, then it broke down, broke support, came down, make a lower low. So right at this point, I'm drawing the new support line, which is going to be the low for the day. The market bounced from that low, pulled back, and then it ran up. So technically, if you're, a very sharp trader, you like to take a lot of risk, you could take a trade right here on this candle. But in my opinion, I would not like that trade because this support area right here could end up becoming resistance, and this right here turn around and come back down to the downside. So it would be, in my opinion, a better, less risky trade to take the trade right here on that bigger candlestick that breaks above the support line. So this candlestick would be a good entry to make a quick scalp. Also, you'd still have to keep in mind that there's a downtrend line right here, and there's a possibility that the downtrend line could still be resistance and it turn around and do this as well. So every time you're thinking about a trade, you have to be very objective and not too biased to any one side, so that you cannot vividly see the other side in terms of the bearish side or the bullish side. So the market broke out from that trend, ran up, to that high that it had previously make, and then it pulled back. At this time, I came back into the market and I saw it run up again and made a triple top. So this is a top right here, and then this is a top, and then this is a top right here. So I know as soon as I get the confirmation, I'm gonna take a position. So on this candle right here, we had this candle, which is a huge doji. It shows that there's a lot of selling pressure, but I never trade off any individual candle. I always trade based on what bigger time frame is telling me. So I took my second position right here and end up getting stopped out because I moved down my stop loss a little bit too quick. However, for the total for the day, I was still able to close the day out with a profit, only taking two trades. So that is a good thing. The most important thing every day is that you just want to be profitable in the market. You do not want to be a pig. Is either you're a bear or you're a bull. Don't be a sheep where you're just sitting on the sidelines, all nervous and don't know what to do. All right. So this is me, JJ. I'm trading under my company. My company is Express Cleaners JK LLC. That is a holding company that I use to hold my accounts basically. All right. So if you like this information that I'm sending out, which I'm looking to do this every day so you guys can see in detail how I'm thinking about my trades in order to execute them very profitably, please like and subscribe to this page, Trading the Charts. You can also find me on Facebook at Trading the Charts, and Trading the Charts Pro is our Facebook group, private group, where we have our members see in details how we do this trade, and we talk about stocks that we're watching. We have our watch list over there in that group, and we go a lot more in details. That is also a place where you can send your question, your charts, and I will respond to them, give you my feedback as to whatever you're looking at and how it may be a good or a bad play. I'm not an advisor, but I will give my analysis on the chart so that you can make the best, most informed decision. All right. I look forward to seeing you there.